Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the Saturday shave. A little bit late this one. I'll explain as I go through the shave. Gotta get a wriggle on. We're expecting the boiler man. He's going to be here within the next half an hour. Should have been here Thursday, but they cancelled that. I forgot to tell us, bless them. And then they should have been here yesterday and never showed up. And then they promised us faithfully they were coming Saturday morning. That's a promise from us to you. They never showed. He phoned my wife about 10 minutes ago. He said he'll be there within the next half an hour. And she said, what part of Saturday morning is that? But anyway, enough of this frivolization. And I've got half an hour. We'll get this shaved. And I've been waiting because I didn't want to start it, because you guaranteed the minute I start it, got it all laid out, he'd knock on the door and probably want to use the bathroom. But anyway, come on, let's get on. You've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for you today. The brush. Look at that, one of my favourite PAA handles. Let's get it the right way around there. Amber aerolite. I don't know if my camera's picking up, but there's little veins, like cracks in the ice running all the way through. It's an absolute beautiful brush with an absolute beautiful knot. We're going to get that in the official John Shaves. Oh, that water. Yeah, we'll put that water in. Now it's a bit too hot. There you go. We'll put that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. McVitie's chocolate digestive. Thank you very much. Wash down with a couple of Lancashire's finest tea. Oh my word. Congratulations to Bradley. Won the Pasteurs giveaway. Well done, Bradley. Anyway, come on, let's crack on. Razor we're going to be using, new in the den. Look at this, guys. Yates Precision Manufacturing, the winning razor. And this is the V2. And boy, am I looking forward to using this. And what we're going to put in the winning razor. Right, what blade do you reckon we're going to be putting in the winning razor? We're going to be putting a Gillette winner in there. That wasn't done by design, guys. I've just noticed that myself right now. That was just I didn't even think about it, just sheer coincidence. But there you go. These are good blades, guys. I like these blades. These are really good blades. We'll put that in there. And we'll get that on there. And we'll put this. How's that going? Very nice, smooth. Action. Oh, I like that. That seemed to get harder and harder to tighten as it got further up the thread. I don't know if that's by design, but I certainly like it. Look at that, guys. Sitting pretty in there. We'll get that in the hot water. We'll get some heat in that blade. We're going to be balming up with this Bath and Body Bergamot and Amber shaving soap that was gifted to me from Scousey and that. And then what else are we going to be splashing up with? Stetson. Look at this. You see that? Carved into the glass there, Stetson. We're going to be, it's good stuff, this. Really good stuff. We're using Stetson. And that ties into the shaving soap. Bundubeard Bosbouer. Look at this, guys. I can't pick the scent out on this one. It just smells like a hand soap. It sounds really awful, but do you know when you go to... I work in a huge... sometimes, a lot of my job at the week, I work in a place that works, that makes train wheels. And it's huge. It's the size of a small city. It's a mega factory. And when you go in the bathrooms there's about 19 sinks all lined up. And they've all got their own individual bar of hand soap, white, generic hand soap. And that's what that smells like. When you go to a public bathroom or a bed and breakfast and they've got the hand soap there, that's the best way I can describe it. It's supposed to smell like the outdoors. It doesn't to me. Anyway, that's what we're using. Let's crack on, because we don't want to miss the boiler man, do we? Oh, right. There you go. So you know how I like to roll, guys. Load onto the brush. Pew! And we'll lather onto the face now. Look at that one. It's a hard soap, scent strength. I would put it about a 4. Thank you, Kevy Shaves. Kevy Shaves sent me that, by the way. It's not a scent I would choose. Apparently there's ash from wood in this, which gives it, I think this gives it this style. The bump about this soap on the website, there's just lots of it. But from what I could see, there was no real definitive, these are the scent notes, you know, so I can only tell you what it smells like for me. But it's a glycerin based soap. Yeah, it is just there. We'll dip the tips. You know you're going to get a lather, don't you, from a glycerin based soap. I want to really get a decent lather. My hair's well hydrated, because before I started to film I washed several times. I mean, immediately before the cameras rolled, I washed several times with water as hot as I could stand it. Yeah, so we'll get that on there. We'll crack on and let's get this shave. This is a razor with a magnet in the bottom. And the ridges across there, look, really looking forward to using it. Let's get that on there, get that on there. Here we go. If he turns up this afternoon and goes, I don't know if I can fix it. Honestly, he's getting dragged out, thrown out the window. Here we go. Wow, well, do you know what? That's not bad, you know, I don't know what I was expecting because I've never used it before, but it feels a lot more efficient. It's a lot more efficient than I was expecting it to feel. I don't know why. Maybe because it just goes to show you get influenced by other wet shavers, don't you? I've seen a lot of people saying it's mild. It's not. There's not a lot of blade feel. But it's certainly not mild. I know I saw one YouTube wet shaver, he says you need to use a razor 4 or 5 times before you can give a definitive answer on how it shaves. Wow. I get a lot of blade feel now on that top lip. I am. I think, yeah, and again, wow. Do you know what I think, guys? I think this is an exceptionally well engineered piece of kit, and once you dial it in, you're away. Yeah, I saw one YouTube wet shaver and he said you need to use it 4 or 5 times a razor before you get an idea of whether or not it's a good razor or efficient razor. That might be okay for you, but it isn't for me. I mean, I can tell pretty much there now on the first pass, that's a good razor. This is going to be a close, efficient shave, and I've still got the other passes to do. So, how are you all doing? Let me know what your shave of the day is and your other slurp of the day. What's your other slurp of the day? What you're looking forward to? We're going to try and find a film to watch this evening, me and my wife. And then it will be Jam Shed, Shiraz. That's Johnny's. That's the SOTD, the shave of the day. That's the other SOTD, the slurp of the day. Here we go. And this is a wonderful, wonderful razor. What we're going to talk about, oh, do you know what, guys? I'll tell you. I've left a couple of Facebook groups. Oh my word. I got a message off one. saying they want people to stop saying that a soap's slick. Stop saying this soap's slick. It's subjective. Well, do you know what? Everything, every wet shaver uses from wet shaver to wet shaver is subjective as well. So when you start trying to regulate people's speech like that, I'm out. Look at that. That's a spotlight, guys. I felt it being decapitated. Yeah, and then I saw another one. If you only post YouTube links in here, they'll be deleted because you need to post other stuff and integrate with the group. You're a YouTube, you're a wet shaving forum on Facebook, guys. You know? And then I saw another one. I mean, these like Facebook groups. Come on, guys, if Facebook groups, get a life. I recently saw another one. If you post links to your YouTube channels on this group, wet shaving group, post links to your wet shave on YouTube. No, one a week, and then that'd be deleted. I just thought, you know what, I'm done. So I've left about a half a dozen of them this morning. And the other ones that I'm still in, I've got like thousands and thousands and thousands of members. Each one. But do you know what? If they come at it, I'll leave them as well. I don't really give a stuff about all that kind of rubbish. Unless it's non-shaving related. Just let it up there. You know, we're all adults. If something's dodgy or off, or foul, or disgusting or something, you know, we're all adults, aren't we? But to just say, like, because you don't interact in any of the other posts because you don't leave a comment or something, then we're not going to let you post your links to your channel. Get out. Whatever. And I wouldn't mind. All of these places, when they start up, boom, they invite you. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of invites for these places. Oh, but anyway, that's it. Rant over. We're going to have a good day. I can tell you right now, this is a good close shave. Like I said, that's the spot. That's a spot I've got topped. The doctor has put me back on antibiotics. My back has got infected. I've got to go and see the nurse 3 times this coming week. I won't go into details. But it's not good. Anyway, this razor, very, very good. Yeah. You can really feel. You can really feel that working. You can. The soap is very slick, as they all are. Lather mittens. Look at this. And we weren't loading for very long, were we? And we say it every shave. Look at that. Lovely, smooth, close shave. Just the usual suspects. But I agree with what I said before. I think once you've dialed this in, yeah, I think once you get the angle of this, I think it's a bit like a Henson. I think if you were a daily shaver and you use this daily, I got it dialed in, it'd be phenomenal. I mean, don't get me wrong, you don't need 4 shaves to tell you whether or not it's a good razor, do you? I don't anyway. Oh, and that No, that is our shave, guys. That is our shave. Let's do the lean in, the Lancashire lean. Can you see that? There isn't a single hair, nothing. That is BBS, and my skin feels fantastic. So let's get some Stetson on there. This is one of those bottles Ken Surfing on about. I've had this a bottle a couple of years ago. I got Stetson aftershave, and when I went on eBay, for some strange reason, I think because I'd looked for Stetson on eBay, it highlighted stuff that was related to Stetson. That bottle was one of them. Oh, when the boiler man's gone, gonna have a shower. There you go. We'll get that, and that's it, guys. That's it. Let me know what you think of today's shave, and please subscribe. YouTube's still telling me that just about half of the people that watch these videos aren't subscribers. If you like what you see, you want to support the channel, really, the best way that you can do that is click that subscribe button. Look at it. That's good stuff. That's good stuff, guys. I've got the matching soap for that in there. I'll probably dig it out and have a shave with that. So there you go. Let me know what you think of today's shave, good and bad. Let me know what you think of the razor. Put it down in the comments. Let me know anything you want to let me know. Here we go. Chocolate biscuit. Digestive. Oh my word. And that's us, guys. There isn't a lot to say. I'm going to go and wait for the boiler man. Have a wonderful weekend. Look after yourselves, and remember, the world needs more love. So today, tell yourself that you're going to be the person to show it, aren't you? And then we're changing the world, guys, aren't we? We're changing the world one day at a time. Look after yourselves. Thanks for all the comments and support. And I will see you on Wednesday, surprisingly enough, for the Wednesday shave. Bye.